POS mapper support platforms, data software and hardware needed to provide a predictive facility management systems that utilize drone and deep learning. The unique selling point is an algorithm that removes vehicle on the road by utilizing various use of the drones. Drones were manually used to field shooting. The flight controlling is the past, but they can also be used for load management. In fact, POS mapper utilized drone and deep learning techniques to create a car-free road map, crack and porthole-safe map to provide solutions for autonomous driving simulations, load and facility maintenance. In order to do so, we developed an algorithm that removes vehicles on the road by using image processing and deep learning techniques rather than providing simple road images. As a result, we provide a service that shows the status of crack and pothole on the road that were hidden beneath vehicle, removing car on the road. The algorithm applied to remove vehicle on the road is named CFSM. The solution is dedicated to the automatic detection of vehicles on the around industrial installations. And we applied our deep learning algorithm to automatically detect various types of the vehicle. POS mapper's predictive facility maintenance system, which is based on artificial intelligence using drones and spatial information, has various social influences. The system can first and foremost reduce the cost of load management by improving work efficiency. So far, the load management has been performed manually by labor, and while the load has been formed by specialty vehicles. The cost of one-off sensor attached to these vehicles range of the 5 to 20 million Korean won. When formed with drones, in comparison, the cost can be cut down to 15 million Korean won. In addition, drones are able to inspect 8-lane wide road for 30 to 40 meters at once, while specialty vehicles can only cover 1 lane at a time. Secondly, drone shooting on road has a job creation effect. Since shooting drones does not require advanced knowledge, it seems promising to create new jobs to shooting road at over Seoul and other cities through providing appropriate education to workers. The third, Map API can contribute to citizen-safe driving environment. We can provide a map according to the need to different customers such as surface, paint, and calcium chloride. Among those, road data acquired by drone together with deep learning technology are used to make up map APIs. They provide crack and pothole information on the road that these information can prevent traffic accident due to crack and pothole on the road. It can also contribute to make simulation data and navigation for autonomous vehicle.